Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails. This is another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Basically, the young ones, what you have been watching over the past few weeks, I released 2 of the young ones last week after I made the update video. Basically, I've still got the other 2. The other young one is there. It's a female, that one. It's fully grown. And it's almost an adult. And the other young one is there. So, yeah. They've reached adulthood and they look beautiful. So I'm very happy with the young ones, what I've got. Basically, I've still got the grey one there. It still hasn't flown off. I think it still thinks it's the fantail doves. Some of the birds are looking a bit scraggy at the moment because the molting, as you can see, well, you can't see because the tail's in the way, but yeah, round its neck there, it's molting, so they're getting ready for winter and autumn. So yeah, so I think most of them has gone through the molt, but there's only a couple, like that male there is going through a molting stage at the moment. They always look a bit scraggy when they're molting at this time of year, but most of them has gone through the molt, like I said, and they've got the winter feathers. I let them out last week for fly, because I need to be very careful now because I've got a sparrowhawk, like I've said in the past videos what I made, and I've had like about 7-8 fantail doves killed by the sparrowhawk. So what I tend to do now is let them out once, twice, 3 times a week, and just keep my eye on them. And it's working. It's worked this year, and I think it's worked last year as well. So I'm very happy with that. Yeah, so basically very happy with the progress on how my fantail doves has been breeding this year, and I'm very happy with the young ones because I've had some beautiful young ones like that one this year, and I think this is probably the best year I've had really lovely, beautiful young fantail doves with really nice big tails on them. So I'm very happy with this year. It's raining out. It's like really bucking it. It's like really pissing down. Hence why that fantail there is sat like that, because the rain is coming through the aviary and it's having a little sour. I think that's the young one actually. Yeah, it's like that grey one. It's looking a bit scraggy at the moment because it's going through the molt stage. But it's not. It's like settled in with the fantails. I think it. I think it is. I think it does think it's a fantail dove because it's been brought up by fantails. So yeah. I will show you guys how the young ones are getting on. Sorry for babies. Down here we've got a female on the nest again. She's on 2 eggs. That's right. I need to move that egg further underneath because there we go. So yeah, she's on 2 eggs at the moment. See what happens if they'll hatch or not. Down here we've got another one who just laid an egg yesterday. So yeah, I got her last September and she paired up with one of my young males, and she's had 3 babies this year, and hopefully she'll lay another egg and they'll hatch, and hopefully this time around the baby will survive. So fingers crossed. Up here we've got more. We've got the 2 babies. As you can tell, we're getting the ferrets. Another few weeks and they'll be ready to leave the nest. But they seem healthy enough, eating off the parents and drinking off the parents, so I'm very happy with that. And here we've got another pair of young ones. These are being brought up by foster parents, and the foster parents are doing a really good job feeding and watering them, and the babies are growing up and slowly getting the feathers. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. So hopefully in the next few weeks we'll be ready to leave the nest. And on that note, folks, we've came to the end of the video. They're all sat down in the corner there having a shower. I'm not sure if you can hear the rain, but it's really like pissing down out here. When the rain comes through, they always sit along here and have a shower off the rain. So that's not thunder, folks. That's someone putting something in their van. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe on my videos because my battery's about to die in my camera again. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Look out for another update coming soon, and see you all later.